Hello and welcome everyone. So today in this video we will be learning about a Python library, namely Matplotlib. So what it is meant for? Basically it is meant for data representation or data visualization. So today in this video we will be covering how to install this library as well as how to represent bar charts using this library. We will be covering other methods of representation in further videos. So let's get started with the installation. So first we will have to press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. And in this run application, we will be writing cmd. Now this will open the command line interface or the command prompt, and we will have to write a command in order to install this library. So we will write pip install install matplotlib. Since I have already installed this library, I will not waste my time installing it again. Now I will be searching for ideally Python, and I will create a new file. Okay, so now first of all we will import the library matplot.pyplot as plt. We can also use numpy, but using matplotlib along with pyplot would be more easier rather than using two separate libraries like the matplotlib and pyplot. So now after this we will be writing some code. So we will write x is equal to hello, hi, bye, and y is equal to numerical values. Let's say 4, 5, 3. If you want to define the colors for the bars as well, then we will be writing this code, this part of the code extra as extra. Okay, so we will write various colors. Let's say red, green, blue. Now we will write plt dot bar x comma y comma color is equal to c, and now plt dot show to show this graph. Now we will be saving this file, so we will press Ctrl plus S, and now we will save wherever we want. I will be saving it over here, so I will name it as matplotlib demo. Now let's check how it is working. So you can see these are the three graphs. Addition